Hello everyone, my name is Karthik. I am from Sri Aurobindo Society. On behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I welcome you all teachers for the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform ZIIEI. Today, we are going to discuss about various innovative ideas and also we are going to discuss about the learning process of students with a very fun and interesting atmosphere. And now we are going to discuss about a chapter called I Am Lucky. This chapter is from NCERT syllabus. The chapter number is 3, class 2, subject English. So how we are going to learn this chapter? We are going to learn this chapter with the help of an innovative idea called theme-based attendance. So before seeing the implementation process, let us see what are the innovations behind this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. The innovation is using attendance as a medium for learning. That is, during roll call, the student should answer the questions according to the theme instead of saying present. So this is the innovation behind this innovative idea. What are the objectives of this innovative idea? The objective is to revise the concept of naming words. So this is the objective of this innovative idea. How we are going to implement this process? Before seeing the implementation process, let us see the pre-requirements for this implementation. The pre-requirement is nothing but during roll call, the student should answer the questions according to the theme instead of saying present. And now let us see the implementation process. In the classroom, inform the students that today we are going to do attendance in a different way. That is, you are all going to answer attendance by using naming words instead of saying present. And also ask the students to memorize the naming words carefully in order to answer the attendance. Now call the students one by one according to their roll number. For example, roll number 1, Priya. Fish, it's a naming word. Roll number 2, Kangaroo, it's a naming word. Roll number 3, Elephant. So, in this way, the implementation process goes on till all the students answer the attendance. So, what are the learning outcomes of this innovative idea? The learning outcomes are the students able to identify characters and sequence of events in a story and in a poem. Also, the students able to express verbally, and also the students able to ask questions about the sequence of events and characters in a story. The students able to respond comprehension questions in a story. The students able to develop their core life skills, that is critical thinking, effective communication and decision making. The students collect records and interpret simple information. Poor learners, even the poor learners and the children with disabilities can improve their learning process with the help of this innovative idea, theme-based attendance. Experiential learning takes the student from the abstract world to the real world. If you like this video, kindly like and share. Also, please subscribe Sri Aurobindo Society's YouTube channel ZIIEI. On another fine day, let us meet and discuss with another innovation. Until then, it's bye from Karthik. Thanks for watching.